Alright, we got the new Victorinox Supreme tool. I just opened it with the SOG Keytron. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, no special stickers or anything. Just two box logos. Alright. Victorinox Classic Alox knife. Supreme Victorinox. Oh wow. It's kind of small. I thought it would be I thought it would be bigger. But yeah, pretty cool, I guess. A little expensive. I think this was what, almost 60 bucks or something like that. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. Probably wasn't worth it. A little too small, and pretty much only can use like scissors and the knife. Not really sure what I would need I guess like a flathead, some kind of screwdriver, and a nail file. Not really sure what I would need this for, but I don't know. It's cool. I like to buy the tool stuff. The knife's pretty good. And Victorinox, you know, they make good quality stuff. They make the Swiss Army knives and everything. Comes with this little keychain. Just put it on there. I don't know. I pretty much thought it would be a little bigger, but I guess it's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. It's kind of cool, but I still like this if you just want a knife. But I know that Supreme's made some bigger things. But here you go for scale. Yeah, that's it.